So the next lesson in our conics section is lesson 2 on circles. And before we get started on this video in the warm-up, I want you to make sure that you have worked on numbers 1 through 4. And if you haven't worked on numbers 1 through 4, you can pause the video right now so that you guys can follow along with your answers as we go through and check the answers you should have gotten for numbers 1 through 4. In numbers 1 and 2, they're asking you to simplify your square root, and we have the square root of 27. So you guys remember back from previous units as well as this previous unit, we talked about simplifying radicals and what you guys can do to simplify them, and we're looking for our perfect square. So since 27 can be broken down into the perfect square, square root of 9 times square root of 3, well, the square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 3 can't reduce to anything smaller than that, so we get 3 square root of 3 for your answer for number 1. In number 2, 150 can be broken down into the perfect square of square root of 25 times the square root of 6. Square root of 25 we all know is 5. Square root of 6 can't get any smaller, so our answer for number 2 is 5 square root of 6. In number 3 and 4, they're asking us to evaluate the expression. And in number 3, they're taking the square root of 5 and raising it to the second power. They're squaring it. And since square root and square are inverse operations, they basically cancel each other out, so you're left with your inside value, which is 5. And number 4, same thing. If you're squaring the square root, they're opposite operations, so you're left with the inside value, which is 17.